How to fix Google Photo app not opening on Android. In order to fix the Google Photo app not opening on Android, first you could try simple steps like restarting the app or your phone. If that doesn't work, you could clear the app cache and storage in your phone settings and check for any pending updates for the app. So what you want to do is, first of all, you could restart. So hold on to your side button and then you could go and click on the restart button. That might also be able to help. If that's not the case, you go ahead and check for an update, as sometimes it could be due to the outdated version. So tap on the search bar, type in Google Photos on the search bar, and locate whether the app needs to be updated or not. If that is also not the case, you could also check for an internet connection. Sometimes it could be due to the connectivity or poor connections. So you just want to go to settings and then you want to click on network and internet, and here you want to go to internet. And as you click on the internet section, then you could go ahead and or toggle the button for internet, and this is how you could fix Google Photos app not opening on Android. If the issue still persists on despite doing all this, then what you want to do is you could simply go ahead and launch open settings on your device, locate apps from the list. As you go to app section, then you want to locate Google Photos. You could also tap on the search bar at the top and then type in photos, and here you just want to go to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache. This might be able to fix. So these are a couple things you could try to fix Google Photo app not opening on Android. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.